Starting college courses as an online student can be daunting. At Columbia College, we've been offering online courses to students like you for more than 20 years. We know what it takes for a smooth and successful launch into this new experience. Our online courses are designed to fit into your busy schedule, whatever your stage in life. You're joining nearly 16,000 students who take at least one online course each year with Columbia College. Based on their feedback and the lessons we've learned on the instructional end, here are some tips for success as an online student. Test your computer setup ahead of time to avoid technical glitches. On our website, we offer a free course demo along with a list of minimum technology requirements. As you begin your class, give yourself plenty of time and space to focus. Online courses take just as much time as on-campus learning, and mastering the content requires just as much concentration. The biggest plus about online courses is the amount of independence they give you. Still, it helps to set up a consistent schedule, a system of organizing your digital files, and a learning environment where your self-discipline can flourish. Online courses are asynchronous, which means you can do them at a time that's convenient to you. Of course, it also means the instructor's not live, so you can't ask questions in real time. However, you can always reach out via chat or email to get clarification. Another benefit of asking questions is the opportunity to get to know your instructors. Keeping the lines of communication open with them shows that you're enthusiastic about the course and the content. It could also foster a helpful relationship with a potential mentor. Most courses require participation as part of your grade. It's easier to fulfill this day by day rather than waiting until the last minute and trying to catch up. The same goes for large projects and papers. The end of the term will be here before you know it. On-campus students will literally cross paths with their peers. As online students, you don't have this luxury. Be intentional about connecting with other adults who are also learning online. These could be your classmates, people who live or work near you, or your family and friends. When day-to-day life feels overwhelming, step back from the busyness and reflect on why you started your online learning journey. This mental break can give you the motivation to dive back in with renewed energy. For more tips and strategies for success in your online courses at Columbia College, visit ccis.edu.